What if I told you that most LED lights fail not because of the chip, but because of the driver? Would you believe it? What exactly is an LED driver? Its first job is to convert household AC power to the low-voltage DC power that LEDs need. Let's take a look inside the driver. These components are the capacitors. Their main job is to store energy and provide a smooth, stable current to the LED. Next up is the IC, or controller chip. This is the real brain of the driver. Its job is to intelligently regulate.
LED drivers are crucial for the performance of LED lighting, but they can fail prematurely. Today, we'll explore the 4 main reasons why this happens.
Finally, we have the rectifier, which handles the essential conversion from AC to DC power. The driver is the brain of the operation, stress-tested to ensure it protects the LED from power surges and delivers consistent, clean energy.